$1 million.
Guys, welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. My name is Will. You know this guy. My partner Ian over here. Together, guys, we are the SoCal Property Brothers. Yeah, super exciting day. I've been waiting to make this video for so long. So we are in the beautiful city of Pasadena,
yes.
One of the most storied cities in Southern California, probably behind Hollywood. But as you can see, guys, we're at the Rose Bowl. So a lot of great things happen at the Rose Bowl. So the college football at one time national championship was
yes.
held here, right?
Yes.
We have the Tournament of Roses parade, which is a huge draw to the city. But overall, guys, this is an amazing place to live. So in this video, we're gonna take you around so you can also fall in love with the city, but also we're gonna show you what you can get for $1 million. How much, Ian?
$1 million.
Yes. Wait, how did your boy do it?
$1 million.
So stay tuned, guys, because we're getting right into it.
Let's get it.
So guys, more than we love making these videos, guess what? We are licensed real estate professionals here in the state of Southern California. So we would love to help you buy and sell real estate in this beautiful market. But today, like I mentioned, we're in Pasadena and we're in the Rose Bowl.
Yes.
But
yes.
we want to tell you exactly where we are. Where is Pasadena, bro?
Yes, yes. So not a lot of people know where Pasadena is, but it's a nice, quiet community.
Yep.
That's just beautiful. Pasadena is located about 25 minutes northeast of Los Angeles. You can get to downtown Los Angeles about 15 minutes from there.
Pretty quickly. Also, when we think about where Pasadena is, we also want to talk about where the airports are, right? Because people are always coming in. If you worked like I did when I worked in corporate America, I was always traveling. So I really loved Pasadena is because you had the Burbank Airport, which is 20-25 minutes away. Then you had Ontario, then you had LAX. So you basically have 3 options when traveling in Pasadena, bro.
And I like that just because different flights cost difference at different airports.
Yes.
I'm like, hey, what's the LAX prices hitting? Talking about, you know what I'm saying? Let's go to Burbank, it's a little more cheaper.
And when the prices are what they are here, because we'll get into that, you gotta save money wherever you can. So let's talk about why you would wanna live in Pasadena. And the good news is, guys, we only talk about like what we know. So for me, I lived in Pasadena. I bought my first townhome here in Pasadena. So this was back in 2009, but I'll tell you kind of why I fell in love with it. And I think this video will help you to see why I fell in love with it. But for one, you have the Rose Bowl. Like, this is super beautiful, the area. I mean, you have homes priced. What are the prices of homes? I mean,
we have a wide range of homes here in Pasadena. We have the most expensive home currently is $5.8 million. That property is a 7-bedroom, 9-bath property. The square footage is 5,826 square feet. And then we get all the way to the studios, which is, you would think, hey, we have a studio. That's going to be in the low 200, 100,000. The studios here cost $390,000. Wow. It's only 472 square feet.
Wow. So basically what you're saying is that the properties range from almost 400,000 to almost 6 million.
Yes, wide range.
So what I'm taking from that, brother, is if you're broke, this might not be the video for you.
Your money needs to be a little long for Pasadena.
Yeah, so aside from that, I mean, there's a lot of options when it comes to the home, but just the lifestyle, right? So in Pasadena, you have easy access everywhere. So it's like the central location. So if you want to live in Los Angeles, like, it's a central location. So you're going to pay for that, but also there's so much to do. There is Old Town Pasadena, which was a huge draw for me. Restaurants, shops, like, you name it, they have it here. Because again, if you got people making, you know, 300,000, right? So there's, you know, restaurants for them, but then you got people, you know, buying $5.8 million homes. You got to cater to that.
Oh, you definitely got to.
So there's something for everybody here, guys. So that's why you would probably want to live in Pasadena.
Yeah. Love Pasadena.
Yeah,
love it.
Awesome. With that being said, guys, we're going to show you a little bit of this beautiful, you know, park that we're in. Also, there's a golf course here. It's called Brookside Park. There's a golf course here. But we're going to show you a little bit about Pasadena, you know, beautiful drone footage that I do myself, right?
He does it himself, he really does.
So pay attention to it, right? Don't leave. Appreciate it, right? So check out the drone footage, guys, and then we're gonna take you to our first stop, the first $1 million home.
Ooh, I love it, I can't wait.
So yeah, Ian, anything else you want to say to people before we get out here and see the homes?
Yes, like, share, subscribe, and comment, because I don't know if you've heard. Those that watch the video without subscribing are more likely for their credit score to decrease 30 points.
I did read that. I read that. That is fact. So if you do not subscribe, guess what? I'm not saying it's true, but you might not be able to buy a house because 38 points might ruin your chances, bro.
Hey, better safe than sorry.
We don't want that for you, okay? We care.
No.
So let's go.
Here we are at our first property of the day. We are just a little bit north of downtown Pasadena. Right here we have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,449 square foot property on a 6,500 square foot lot. Newly remodeled property, has exposed beams, eggshell white paint throughout the property. We have nice long streets wide. The con on this particular street is there's only parking on one side. That's the con here, but everything else is lovely. Neighborhood is great. More about inside the property: remodeled kitchen, remodeled bathroom. We have the granite countertops, the deep sinks. But yeah, this is pretty much what you can get for $1 million in Pasadena. So now you've seen what we got here for $1 million in North Pasadena. We're going to take a look at our next property. See you then. So here we are at our second property in Pasadena. We're actually at a nice, quiet community in Northeast Pasadena. Not too many people know about these houses, but driving through the neighborhood, we have nice, wide streets. We're close to the mountains, very quiet. This is a real gem. This is a real gem. And across the way, we're looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath property, 1,260 square feet, offered at $1,049,000. And inside of this property has a lot of the original characteristics of the Pasadena houses. Not too updated to where things just get outdated and you lose some of the intricate parts of the city, but just enough to not feel like you're in a home that's built in 1911. So you have a lot of the nice stuff on the inside.
All right, guys, unfortunately, you know all good things have to come to an end, guys. So we told you all about the amazing city of Pasadena. We've showed you what $1 million can get you. Again, I know it's only a 2-bedroom, but in California, what is it about? Location. Location, baby. So definitely love this city. Tune in, stay tuned for additional videos on the city of Pasadena, because again, this is where I started. I know we talk about Chino Hills, we talk about, you know, San Bernardino County like a lot, but definitely love Pasadena, and there's so much to love. We're going to be putting on a video, pros and cons of Pasadena. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow. Yes. Also, guys, again, like I said, we are licensed real estate professionals. So that number below, that one right down there, go ahead, take a screenshot, give us a call, shoot us a text, drop us an email. We'd love to hear from you. But until the next video, Property Brothers out.
See you soon.
Dude, I've been meaning to ask for a while. Like, when we do this, like, do you go over or do you go like under? Like,
I feel like I do something different every time. I feel like I do this, or I do this.
That's what I'm saying.
Or I do this.
Like, we gotta figure it out, bro. Like,
myself.
I think left over. No, yeah. Like, I think left under.
Left under?
Left under, bro.
Left under.
Left under.
So.
But fold over, like.
Oh,
Boom.
okay.
Boom.
Like that. Okay.
Yes, yes.